In this video, I'm demoing how to create your own stickers using our gel polish and our silicone mat. So I've gone ahead and I've placed 6 color blobs on my mat, and I'm using a larger dotting tool. The first color I used was Desert Rain. I went with fall themed colors just because it's fall, but you can use any colors you want. The next color I'm applying right now is Rumba Orange, followed by Pumpkin Splash. And I'm just putting the color lines beside each other. This is Red Stiletto. They will probably bleed a little bit together, and that's okay, don't worry about it. This is Feeling Ferny. And lastly, Shakolala. Once I've got my lines, I'm gonna actually take my Pro Lamp, which cures in 45 seconds, and flip it over the actual stripe pattern. I'm gonna cure this twice just to make sure it's good and dry, because the polish is a little bit thicker on the silicone mat than it would be if I were applying it on my actual nail. So this is the second cure. This will also work with your 2-finger lamp. Same concept. After that's completed, I'm actually gonna take my tweezers and peel my sticker up off the mat. I'm gonna flip it over and nuke it again just to make sure that my sticker is completely cured. Next, I'm just gonna cut it to the design that I want, and you can do whatever you want. I'm just gonna do individual thin line of color. Make sure all the edges are even. If you're not really great at cutting, you could always do like use a ruler and make lines and stuff so that you know that they're nice and straight. Now I'm just going to apply a layer of Clearly Frisky. You could do any base color you wanted, but I think that I really wanted the design to pop, so I'm just going to put it on a clear base. I'm going to leave that wet. I'm going to take my tweezers, pick up my little color strip, place it where I want on my nail. Put it under the lamp and let that cure. Now I'm just going to top it with another layer of Clearly Frisky to make sure that the sticker is sealed on nicely and nothing will get in between it and my design. Pop it under the lamp and cure it again. And that's it. Now that it's cured, you're ready to go. Thanks for watching.